the clothing that we are witnessing here, and is one of the best. Certainly, I was having a word with many of the players to talk about how you feel and how you are excited about playing in this tournament, and they were very much thrilled. They were very much upbeat here about playing and showcasing their execution, because it's not only the this particular region of Goa, but I think many of the viewers, many of the selectors also will be looking at the performance of these players who are going to excel. Rajat certainly has caught eyes of many of the stalwarts and many of the big stars hitting some fine innings and some fine shots into gathering the player of the tournament in MCT recently. And if you talk about this tournament, this is going to be even bigger than at a higher level, higher scale, where auction tournament, and it was picked by all the franchise owner depending upon the combination that suits best for them. It was done at the best levels. It was handled by the best. Petroman management is handling these particular events. So you can see the proficiency and the efficiency of all these 12th man. I have already requested. परत एकदा सांगता 12th man हांगा येना जाल्यार मॅच चालू जावपाना आनी तुमकां फायन पडटली, because so Margao Kings has reported that 12th man. Margao Kings have reported. Fathoda Lions is requested to report immediately. So we are all set here. Yes, we are all set. Umpire saying we are all done. Excitement is high. The thrill is high. And here comes the first ball. Rajat will be on strike. Anush Kherkar with the ball in hand from the swing pull end. Here comes the first ball. Everyone has their eyes of DPL 2025. Flicked it away on the leg side for just going to be a single towards the wide mid-on region. The smart player, and he will certainly assess what is the condition. This is a freshly laid wicket. This is a turf wicket which SAG prepares here at Fathoda, and certainly it is going to be best because it's been well rolled. There's hardly any tinge of grass on the surface, if at all, maybe because of the dew factor that falls at night, but that will be later on. Looking to pick the ball on the leg side, finding the gap, just not middling. There's a man in the deep over there in the deep square leg region, and also one at long off for Vikas Desai. He gets himself off the mark with a single. In fact, both of them. Score moves on to 2. The feeling is really great. Looking at the barricades, looking at the protection for all the players. Flicked away on the leg side. Just a single. So 3 singles of the first 3 balls. A pretty orthodox field here set for the bowler Anush Kherkar, who's got immense experience coming from Perne region, but playing for the team of Fathoda. Lovely bowling there. Well, not in the best position. He was thinking maybe it. Oh, that's directed. That is directed, and it's been referred here on top. What a good piece of fielding here in the short point position, and shying at the stumps at the non-strikers. He struck it. Vikas Desai, has he grounded the bat? There is a lot of excitement. They feel a bit here. They are very confident about this appeal. Vikas Desai is also confident, so it might be really touch and go. So let's see what is the signal coming from the third umpire. They are weaving it very carefully on tennis cricket. Slow-mos into action. Yes, we are weaving it. So slow-mos into action. And the decision will be definitely conveyed here to the on-field umpires. Let's see what the decision is. And immediately a scare here for the batting side of Margao Kings They are anxiously waiting for the signal to come on their side. You can see the LED screens being placed here, and now I think the signal has been transferred. He has grounded the bat well inside. So safe is Vikas Desai, the skipper of the Margao Kings. You can see the screens on both the sides so that viewers can see clearly what is happening when there are close shaves, just like the run out on the previous ball. So once again they are getting the singles and they are just looking for the boundaries, but the first over very well bowled here by Anuj Kirkar. Well, everything is happening first time in Goa, and I am having a photo shoot with a mic in my hand and giving the live commentary. That is also first time. Looking to drive the ball, man in the deep, just going to be a single. Vikas Desai. End of first over is 6 on the board. So pretty well bowled. Anything under 6, I think the bowling side will be very happy, Fathoda Lions. But it's just the fresh game. It's just the first over of this entire competition. So everyone is having a feel of what the wicket is there to offer for the batters and also for the bowlers. Now the field is spread up. Just the 4 fielders inside. A play and a miss. He loves that to hit the shot in that mid-wicket cow corner region. But I think this is a pretty good length here, bowled by Ashley. Coming from the region of Sheldon Kurcharem and playing here for Fathoda Lions. Once again, lovely bowling, lovely bowling. We have seen so far they are in a disciplined mode. They have not offered too much of width and also trying to bowl the full length. Vikas is just trying to maybe just walk across the stumps and try to hit the ball on the leg side. And the ball is touch shade going away from the right-hander. This time he went over the off. There's a man in the deep and it will be taken. The skipper walks back and the first blood has been opened here by the bowler Ashley for the Fathoda Lions, and is the first wicket going down. Skipper hits back. A easy catch taken down in the short covers, deep covers region, and that is the end of Vikas Desai. 6 for 1. Paging for Sarfaraz, blue LED. Kindly report in the commentary box. Paging for Sarfaraz, blue LED. That's a big wicket here. Once Vikas Desai hits back, it is always a big wicket, and they certainly know it. And that's why that was a jubilation in the camp, understanding how big is this. Because every team wants to start on a winning note. Whenever there is a big tournament, whenever there is an event, you always want to start on a winning note. That sets the right tone, the right mix. You want to see about the combinations, what is best for you, who is going to bowl in the first over, who is going to bowl in the power plays. Nicely played, gets himself off the mark with a single. So Ajay Halgekar. Ajay Halgekar, a strong player coming from the Madikai region, Adapai, Agapur, Durbat, and he has certainly won a couple of big tournaments this season. The rainy ones has been a part of almost all the big tournaments of the franchises. So, so looking to pitch the ball up, and certainly so far they have controlled the things very well. They know that these are not easy boundaries, so they will see whether the sixes are coming very quickly or it will take some sort of time. This is in the air. That's dropped. That was in the hands. Ajay Halgekar. He didn't have to move an inch. The fielder in the point region just popped in and popped out. And that is another respite here for the Margao Kings. He flashed it really hard, but I think he didn't have to move. That should have been taken. That is a chance given here to Ajay and also to Margao Kings. Well bowled here from Ashley Carvalho. Marks the end of over number 2. It's 8 for the loss of 1, Margao Kings. We got Umesh sir and Shivam doing the job of online scoring and running scoring, which is very difficult. Not many are doing it in Goa, but Umesh certainly sir is doing a fabulous job, and it gives you every aspect of the game, how it is heading on every particular delivery, where the wicket has fallen, how many runs are being scored. When you go back to the things and try to get the record, this becomes much easy. I think they are still thinking about getting Anush Kedkar. Anush, fabulous all-rounder from the Pan region, and has been picked up for a pretty good prize by the team of Fathoda Lions just because of his aspect of all-round abilities. That's nicely done by Rajat Kudalkar. Just looking to push the ball on the offside. Never tried to hit it too hard. A big blow that was for the hopes of Fathoda Lions when Apali Kalangudkar was injured and he was unable for the selection. He is the icon player for this team, but they have to somehow try to recollect themselves, and that's an appeal there, trying to play across once again, and that's a leading edge caught by the wicket keeper there. Very good catch taken behind the stumps, and second one is heading back to the dugout. Ajay Halgekar without much contribution, and it's 9 for the loss of 2 in over number 3. Fathoda Lions are roaring at the moment. So 2 gone back, 1 taken by each bowler. Anush just picked up 1, Ashley picked up 1 in the previous over. So bowlers are on top of the game, and bowlers are certainly ruling this game in the first 3. So in comes Praveen Rane. Crowd is slowly and steadily will definitely be thronging on this ground, especially maybe during the evening session. Right now, I think they must have switched on their mobiles and must have clicked the link of tennis cricket and watching this DPL 2025. Once again, looking to pick shot on the leg side on one knee. Praveen Rane has been sent at number 4. Avinash Alankar getting a chance to replace the injured star player, star all-rounder of Goa, Apali Kalangudkar. And it's certainly difficult to fill in the shoes of someone like Apali Kalangudkar, but I think someone must take the responsibility. Anush Kedkar definitely has got the ability to fill in the shoes of the greats, as himself is a fabulous all-rounder. but Apali will certainly be missed by Fathoda Lions. But they got to take it out of their context. Finally, the injuries are a part of the game. Flicked away on the leg side, not intended to hit it too hard, just maybe thinking about a single. And the fielders now also need to back the bowlers. They know that they are on top of the game. Having discussed with the captain of Margao Kings and Fathoda Lions during the toss of the inaugural game, I just got a feeling that they were looking about a score of around 60 to 65. But here they are lagging way far back when they are just got 11 for the loss of 2 in the third over itself. Another one. Will it be the first 6? No, there's a man coming down. And that's been taken. Very good running catch here. Once again, the timing part missing. They're trying to hit down on the leg side. They are not connecting it really well. And the catching has been really good so far in the deep. They drew the third blood here. And they have taken Praveen Rani out of the contest. Anuj Kirkar backs the second wicket in his second over. And it's 11 for 3. And Margao Kings are reeling at the moment. Well, next match is going to be played between Panjim Capitals and Pernem Strikers. Looking to cut the ball and just went straight in the hands of the keeper there. So far, it is all about Fathoda Lions. They are certainly doing a fabulous job. The bowlers picking up wickets. And if you see the context, 3 overs have been done and dusted. And the team of Margao Kings are on 11 for the loss of 3 wickets. But the big hope for them is the star player Rajat Kudalkar still on the crease. So we are done with 3 overs so far, and in comes Babulal Pathan, the man coming from Ponda region, has done a very good job in the double wicket many a times, as well as a pretty good handy medium pace bowler. Bowls a lot of leather ball cricket, and this is the leather ball wicket. And if you can bowl the leather ball length here, I think it will be pretty handy. But he's up against the star player, one of the best players. Currently, you can call him number 1 in Goa, Rajat Kudalkar. What a star performer. And he has already risen in Goa as a star player, and is now just had to perform and excel and showcase at DPL. This is in the air. This might be a big chance. Rajat Kudalkar, the man going back behind, and it's been dropped. Can you believe? And it's also adding insult to injury of the bowler. It's gone down for 4 runs. It was difficult, I can understand, but the man is also difficult to handle. It's Rajat Kudalkar on the crease. You want to get him back in the pavilion as early as possible, and you have given him a respite over here. Can't do it. This is going to just be a little bit more painful if he bats for all 6 overs. is 15 on the board. Has been the indication given by Rajat Kudalkar that he wants to cut loose here in the power play over. The second power play over here in Dambap Challengers organized Dambap Premier League. The first one is the orthodox power play. The second one is the batting power play. 3 men allowed to be kept outside. Wow, that's swatted away. That's swatted away for a huge one. Absolutely mammoth six, and that's the first six of DPL 2025 coming from the star player of Goa, Rajat Kudalkar. And I told you, don't never ever drop the chance and catch of Rajat Kudalkar. He will make you pay for that. Thank you. That's the first six for Margao Kings. That's just slightly outside. He just walked across the stump, trying to just cut the ball and maybe thinking that if the bowler is going to pitch me straight, I'm once again going to swing the bat on the leg side in the square leg region. But these two shots have just given a spirit here to pump for Margao Kings. Straight over the top. Is it going to be a chance? There is one more fielder. I think it's the difficult chance, but is taken. Is taken by Anush Kirkar. Although trapped earlier in the over in the short backward square leg region, but it is Babulal Pathan who comes back strongly. Doesn't matter if you concede just a boundary or a six for Rajat Kudalkar, but you can get a wicket of the star player. I think job well done. Although 10 runs, I think the wicket is more precious than those 10 runs. What a good running catch by Anush Kirkar, coming all the way from wide long on towards the long on region and picking this precious and prize possession of Margao Kings. He hits back and is 21 for the loss of 4. So the big wicket has been taken by Fathoda Lions. Babulal Pathan feel lot of confidence. Up and over the extra cover. Once again a chance. Oh, that's gone for 4. No, that's been stopped. Oh, once again. What has happened over there? He almost dropped the catch, stopped it, and then once again hitting on his legs and popping it out of the field, and it's a boundary. So much of drama unfolding here. So it goes for boundary. Certainly it was a decent try from Sanesh from behind. I think it was a more sort of catch for the deep covers. Another one straight back, but he didn't time the ball well. Looking for a run out, but I think the batter has grounded the bat and has made it well in. So in spite of conceding almost 12 runs of this over, I think he has finished the over very well, having seen the back of Rajat Kudalkar. Marks the end of over number 4. It's 26 for the loss of 4 wickets, Margao Kings. Meanwhile, the call going out here to the teams that are going to play the next game is going to be Panjim Capitals and Pernem Striker. The toss will be done after the innings break. Please take a note, both the captains. The toss will happen at the innings break between Panjim Capitals, Pernem Strikers. You got to report ahead of time. तुम्ही मातशे जसो टाइम दिल्लो आसा इनिंग्स ब्रेक ताच्या पयलीं तुम्ही हांगा रिपोर्ट करपाक जाय. दोन्ही कॅप्टन तुमकां ही चतराय आसा की DPL जे मॅनेजमेंट आसा इज व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट and as far as the timing, the discipline, the rules and regulations are conducted. So you got to abide by it. Otherwise, that there will be penalized. They will be penalized for maybe coming and reporting little bit late. It will be taken the toss between the two teams during the innings break. Looks to be the leggy Kalpesh. Yeah, Kalpesh coming into bowl, hailing from the Navelim region. Surprise with the call from the umpire. Umpire was rightly in the position. The ball pitched and turned away. That is also an important aspect that we are going to witness, especially during the day games when there is going to be a purchase for the spinners here on this turfing track. That's cut away nicely. Might fetch the boundary. There's a man in the deep. Good effort, but always ball going away from him. Slightly short, slightly wide, and cut away very nicely and very strongly towards the backward point region for a boundary. They need many more of those coming if they need to post somewhere around 50, 55 plus. Margaon is certainly called the commercial capital of Goa. Fathoda is also becoming a big hub as far as the commercial activities are concerned. And here behind Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium as well, a lot of football matches being conducted behind. And if you talk about a lot of sporting activities currently going on at Fathoda, just behind the swimming pool, a lot of training and also the football, cricket. Pulled away, man in the deep. It's going to go straight in the hands. Good effort and taken a good catch. Judging it to perfection, not spilling it out. And there's half the side back into the pavilion. Is Vinod Wilson was trying to pull it away but could not get maybe the meat of the bat, hitting on top of the bat. And there's half the side back to the pavilion at the score of 31. For 5 we are looking at, and wonderful arrangement done here as by the management of DPL Dambap Challengers, powered by certainly Petroman, one of the best professional outfit as far as the organizational of sporting activities are concerned. The same team that organizes 10 PL is called the World Cup of Tennis Cricket, and now they are here to organize the DPL 2025 challenge for all the Goan players, Goan stars or upcoming talents, the new talent, the fresh talent that we want to give them the platform here to play and rise. The stars will be born certainly after the end of this tournament. Well bowled, excellently bowled. Trying to pitch the ball up, not afraid to pitch up. And that's actually a very good length and line as well for the leggy. Coming from Navelim. Certainly won a lot of player of the match awards and picks up pretty good wickets. They wanted leg spinner just because of bringing in a change of pace, as well as spinners bring in a lot of wickets as well if you bowl in the right areas. He picked up one earlier on. Short ball, but I think that was a googly that pitched and went straight away. I think he didn't pick it up. That was a quickish one here from the bowler Kalpesh. He's bowling it finely here. Is mixing it up well. That's also very much essence and flavor in a short format of the game of 6 overs. We see many of the bowlers mixing and the right cocktail that is required if you want to prosper and get successful in a shorter format. Just can't be predictable because you can get tossed outside the field if you are too predictable. That's once again that is a wrong one. That is an off spinner that was bowled by Kalpesh. So he is using his brains wisely on a big stage. It's a left-hander that is on strike. That's been missed by the keeper, which had been stopped. A bye signal here. In fact, no byes off the bat. So getting an age maybe, and that's the reason why Kalpesh was just indicating. Another one. That's a huge. Or will it be inside? Just over. Just over. He got enough connection. And that's been hammered over the top at the long on region. It got high and it got the distance. So finally a good finish to this over coming from the bat of Somesh Prabhudesai. Marks the end of over number 5. Is 39 for the loss of 5. Margao Kings. And one more over to go. The 6th one for Fathoda Lions. The most scenic part of Goa in Sangam, where well, that's nicely bowled here, angling the ball away from the right hander. 3 men behind the point region on the offside for the left hander. He gives strike to Somesh. In fact, Niket it is. Niket coming into bowl, also from the Sangam region, where the Dudhsagar waterfall, one of the biggest in India. That's been pulled away straight into the stands, almost on the 6th tier there. That's Somesh Prabhudesai. He has coming into the act and coming in a big way. A 6 at the long on region and pulling away magnificently over that square leg region. He is a PSI by profession, so he's got the power. I got the PI behind me watching this match, but PSI is certainly doing a great job. So at least they are in the opposition camp, but certainly the profession is the same. Somesh will certainly look to finish in a big way. 46. Another one. That might be a boundary. No chance. Look, we have to wait for the signal. It looks to be a flat 6. It looks to be a flat 6 because it's been already signaled by the fielder himself. Yeah, it's been signaled by the fielder himself next to him. So that's the reason why it was called a 6. It is easy for the umpire once the fielder also helps the cause of the spirit of the game. That is always the preamble once the spirit of the game stays alive. Back-to-back 6s. Pressure right back on the bowler in the 6th over. Very expensive, turning out to be already 13 runs posted on the board. 2 6s. Somesh looking dangerous. Looking to hit on the offside. Ball just turning in the hands. Looking for a couple of runs. They want him on strike. They might get a second run out opportunity, and he missed it. Can you believe that was an easy run out here for the Fathoda Lions? He was dead duck over there. Missed by the keeper to collect. Missed by the bowler in his bowling mark. And they have gifted them 2 runs. And also the strike to Somesh Prabhudesai. 54. Now the score is getting into a shape. Left it all alone. Umpire calling it wide. Not trying to fiddle with that. Very good recovery in the end. You can see the camp of Margao Kings was very quiet up till 5 overs because they know that the things were not happening for them. But I think this blazing innings from Samesh Prabhudesai has given a big spark for them. Looking to heave the ball once again, might be putting pressure in the fielder in the deep and looking to get. And he gets back on strike. He gets back on strike somehow. And that's the right job and the perfect play here from Somesh. Gets the single. And there's the wicket here at the non-strikers end. Good piece of fielding from Anuj Kirkar from the deep, coming quickly and throwing it back to Niket, and who does not commit a mistake here. Good pickup and flashing the bails off. 56 for 6 with a ball to go. We discussed about 60 runs. 60 runs Fathoda Lions will be facing. If at all the captain was discussing here, that was not a bad total to chase. Here comes the last ball of the first innings. Missed it this time. Nicely followed the batter on the offside. This time no chance of getting those 2 runs. And is a bias signal here by the umpire, and that marks the entire innings. If you sum up this entire innings, I think Fathoda Lions will be pretty happy with the entire bowling effort. The first 5 overs certainly belong to Fathoda Lions. They started off very well by just conceding 6 runs of the first over, and then it was Ashley Carvalho who picked up the first wicket of Vikas Desai, was sent back quite early, just conceded 2 in his first over, and then the third over, 2 big wickets was taken by Anuj Kerkar, who bowled 2 overs for them, Fathoda Lions. And the fourth over, I think it was a big wicket of Rajat Kudarkar, although he scored a boundary in the 6, but I think Babulal Patan has struck well, and that was a crucial wicket just to get the things back on track for them. And the fifth over was a decent one, although a 6 was hit. But if you talk about the last over, I think it is going to be Margao Kings who will be slightly more comfortable now with that total posted on the board with a decent bowling lineup. So we have got a match on our hands. Now we are going to call on both the teams, Panjim Capitals and Pernem Strikers. You got to come immediately for the toss at the toss arena, at the presentation arena where the big setup has been done. It's time for the toss. Panjim Capitals, Pernem Strikers. This is the last call going out for both the teams. Please come fast and report. So it's 58 runs. Not a huge total, but we certainly don't know what sort of total is good enough. If this can be defended by 6-5 bowlers who bowl 6 overs on a pretty disciplined and very tight manner, and the fielders back their bowlers, certainly this can be defended. So first innings is certainly well even Stevens contest, and we'll certainly be be joined by one of the famous voices in across India in the tennis ball cricket circles. If you talk about, he has done it all on the big stages. He has done it in Gujarat, he has done it in Delhi, UP, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and call wherever. And now we are welcome. We are truly. It's a pleasure and honor to invite on stage Sri Harish Pandya ji for the next 6 overs.
Captains to report for the toss. मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है. गोवा काफी दिन से दिमाग में चल रहा था, गोवा जाना है और ऊपर वाले ने भेज दिया. थैंक्स टू दंबा प्रीमियर लीग ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. एक ऐसा शो, जिंदगी को बदलने वाला गेम चेंजर दंबा प्रीमियर लीग आ चुका है और दंबा प्रीमियर लीग का बुखार सब पे छा चुका है. तो चलेंगे अब अगले टॉस के लिए. हमारे साथ अब्दुल लतीफ खान साहब यानी कि आरिफ भाई उपस्थित हैं और टॉस होने जा रहा है पंजिम कैपिटल एंड द टीम प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट देम इज पेरनेम स्ट्राइकर्स. तो दोनों अंपायर्स आप मैदान के अंदर देख रहे हैं, कल्याणी घोरपड़े एंड with him is Karunakar Kotian, those senior umpires. Fatoda Lions. बॉलर है रजत कुडालकर। रजत कुडालकर ने बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग भी किया था, पहली पारी में 16 रन बनाए थे और फाइनल स्कोर जो है 58 का टारगेट है। 36 बॉल्स 58 टू विन। गौरव सावंत इज द बॉलर। पहली गेंद ओवर पिच थी, ड्राइव कर दिया और बॉलर्स बैक ड्राइव पर सिंगल। दंबाब प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 1 का उद्घाटन आज सुबह कुछ समय पहले हुआ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी गोवा के अध्यक्ष दामू नाइक जी के हाथों पिच का पूजन हुआ। सो रिक्वेस्टिंग बोथ द कैप्टन्स टू ज्वाइन फॉर द टॉस, पंजिम एंड बैरनेम। ओह, स्नॉटर, बिल्कुल बल्ले को फूंक मारती हुई गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के पास। गौरव सावंत के पास एक अच्छी हाइट है और बहुत अच्छा पिचअप करा रहे। सनेश इस बार सफल होकर खेलते हुए स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट बॉल जा रही है डी पैकेट स्क्वायर में, 1 रन। टोटल स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 2। फील्डिंग की जमावट देखें तो एक थर्ड मैन है, एक वाइडिश गली, एक खिलाड़ी है सर्कल के अंदर शॉर्ट कवर में, एक वाइडिश एक्स्ट्रा कवर और एक मिड ऑफ। इस बार ऑन दी अब खेल दिया है और निर्जन क्षेत्र में बॉल टपा खाती हुई गेंद। अभी तक सारे सिंगल्स लिए जा चुके हैं और ये अच्छी बात है, टेक सिंगल्स। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 3। इस क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में हमारी लाइव टेलीकास्ट tenniscricket.in पर। अब यहां पर पुल कर दिया है और ये कैच छूट गया, और कैच तो छूटा लेकिन साथ में 2 रन भी बना लिए वहां पर लिटिल मास्टर ने। सनेश गांवकर, सनेश गांवकर स्वयं कैप्टन है और सुनील गावस्कर जैसी छोटी हाइट है उनकी। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 5 पे पहुंचा है। 5 विदाउट एनी विकेट्स। बहुत ही आसान कैच वहां पर ड्रॉप हुआ। सावंत की अगली गेंद इस बार फिर से पुल कर दिया, बहुत अच्छी टाइमिंग और 1 रन लेकर स्कोर अब आगे बढ़ता हुआ 6 पर पहुंचेगा। तो मैंडेटरी पावर प्ले में 6 रन बने हैं।
थैंक यू सर। हेलो 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 हेलो। Hello, 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 hello,
Yes,
hello,
let's go towards the toss box.
hello, hello, hello. So it's now time for the toss between the two teams, Panjim Capitals and Pernem Strikers. Sarfraz Nawaz, the captain of Panjim Capital, side. Yes, it's time for the toss, and it will be flipped by Abdullah Latif Khan. Arif Bhai, who is going to call? The Chapo is going to call it. Yes, it's going to be a DPL or Dambap. Chapo is going to call it. Yes. DPL is the call, and DPL it is. Chapo टॉस जीता है और पहला मैच मुझे पहले इनिंग्स आपने देखी है, तो आपको क्या लगता है यहाँ पे क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ, हम लोग बॉलिंग करेंगे फर्स्ट।
तो आप बॉलिंग करेंगे, और जिस तरीके से पहला मैच घटा है लगभग 60 रन के आसपास, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि एक टर्फ का विकेट, आपने बहुत लेदर बॉल क्रिकेट भी खेला है, यहाँ पे भी खेला है, तो क्या लगता है 6 ओवर में कितना अच्छा स्कोर होगा जो चेस करने लायक होगा?
एक्चुअली मैच तो हम लोग के अंदर रखना चाहेंगे उनको।
और क्या है आपका मतलब बॉलिंग कॉम्बिनेशन, बैटिंग कॉम्बिनेशन, अगर अपने दर्शकों को बताएं तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
हाँ, सब बैलेंस टीम है, जितने भी टीम है सबका टीम अच्छा है, जो जिस दिन बेस्ट खेलेगा वही जीतेगा।
बेस्ट ऑफ आपके लिए। साहिल, यू हॅव लॉस्ट द टॉस अँड तुका आता बॅटिंग पडिल्ली आसा, तर बॅटिंग जर म्हणली जाल्यार कितलो टोटल बरो असो दिसतलो तुका?
जशी आमची बॉलिंग लायनअप आहा त्या हिसपान आमी अरावंड 65 to 70 ट्राय करतले स्कोर करूंक।
आनी एक बरो प्लॅटफॉर्म दिल्लो आसा म्हाका दिसता दामबाब चॅलेंजर्स, ज्या तरेन जे आमी क्लोथींग पळयतात, सुंदरशी क्लोथींग म्हणल्यार वेल बरी एक आउटफीट, तशेंच जो एनवायरमेंट जो क्रिएट केल्लो आसा, जो आमी भायर पळयतात तोय बी हांगा पळोवपाक मेळटा, तर कशें दिसता?
मेन म्हटल्यार सगळ्यान बरो टुर्नामेंट जाला हो, कित्याक गोंयचे प्लेयर खूब आहा जे बरे खेळटा, पूण तांकां बरो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळना खेळपाक, रिकॉग्नायज जावपाक। जशें प्लेयरांक रिकॉग्निशन मेळटलें तशें प्लेयर वयर सरतले, आनी हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा दांबा प्रिमियर लीग तेंच्या असोसिएशनाक की आमकां तेंच्यांनी असलो टुर्नामेंट खेळपाक चान्स दिलो म्हणून।
बेस्ट विशेस तुका इन दी फर्स्ट गेम. ओवर टू द कॉमेंट्री बॉक्स, हरीश पांड्या सर.
थैंक यू सो मच। पहला विकेट गिरा इस बीच सनेश गांवकर विकेट कीपर के हाथ में कैच आउट हो गए। टप्पा खाकर बॉल नीचे रही थी और बेहतरीन कैच विकेट कीपर ने लिया। विकास देसाई जिन्होंने कैप्टन के रूप में बहुत अच्छा लीड किया है और बढ़िया कैच लिया। नए बैटर है अब कल्पेश। सो सनेश गांवकर आउट हो चुके हैं। 4 बॉल में 4 रन बनाए उन्होंने और उनका कैच ड्रॉप हुआ था, लेकिन अब वो विकेट लेकर मलाल कम हुआ है। 6 बॉल में 4 रन। सोचा ये 4 बॉल 4 है। नैवर करेंगे विल्सन। बॉल को छोड़ दिया, वाइड बॉल दायरे के बाहर रही थी। अंपायर करुणाकर कोटियन बॉलर एंड पर, अंपायर कल्याणी घोरपड़े स्ट्राइकर एंड पर, थर्ड अंपायर है मानक मारवाड़ी। आज हमारे साथ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में सिंधु दुर्ग की मधुर आवाज अशोक नाइक को भी आप सुनेंगे। विल्सन की गेंद बैठक शॉट, एक हाथ से शॉट को फिनिश किया था। कैच तो हो नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन 2 रन लेने के लिए भी वहां पर खतरा और यहां पर रन आउट। विकास देसाई की खतरनाक विकेट कीपिंग और विकेट नंबर 2। आउट हो गए कल्पेश। बहुत ज्यादा उतावलापन था उनके अंदर और वहां पर उनके पार्टनर तैयार नहीं थे। प्रवीण और कल्पेश को ये गलती महंगी पड़ी और फाटोडा लायंस का दूसरा विकेट गिरता हुआ। रमेश शुबड़ी और अपाली कल्याणकर इनकी टीम है। फाटोडा लायंस अभी तक दो लायंस वापस में लौट चुके हैं डगआउट के अंदर। गोवा की 16 टीमों के बीच में खेली जाने वाली दंबा प्रीमियर लीग, जिसका एक थीम सॉन्ग है दंबा प्रीमियर लीग का, बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग तैयार किया गया है, बहुत अच्छे ग्राफिक्स है। और आप देखें तो पब्लिक के बैठने की व्यवस्था, खूबसूरत शामियाने, एक कॉरपोरेट लुक दंबा प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 1। और हमारे तमाम स्पॉन्सर्स के भी हम आभारी हैं, जिसके बारे में हम आपको जानकारी देंगे। विल्सन स्टेडियम एंड से बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम ठीक हमारे पीछे, और स्विमिंग पूल एंड भी बोला जाता है इसको। So swimming pool end is the far end and stadium end is the commentators end. बहुत बढ़िया, जड़ में आती हुई गेंद, बॉटम एंड का इस्तेमाल किया लेफ्टी बैटर अनुज केरकर। 58 रन बन सकते हैं, प्लानिंग करनी होगी। हर ओवर में एक बड़ा स्ट्रोक लगाएंगे तो उस स्कोर तक वो पहुंच सकते हैं। रजत कुडालकर ने अच्छी बैटिंग की, सुमेश प्रभुदेसाई ने आज यहां पर 21 रन्स बनाए 8 गेंदों में और 3 6 मारे, जो टर्निंग पॉइंट था पहले मैच का। पहली पारी का बहुत खूबसूरत झंडे मैदान के अंदर। विल्सन की गेंद मिस टाइम, और विकास देसाई तीसरे विकेट में भी विकास इन्वॉल्व है। आउट होकर वापस चल दिए, मिस टाइम कर दिया उस शॉट को। प्रवीण ने विल्सन को मिलती हुई एक और बड़ी सफलता। कॉट बाय विकास देसाई, बोल्ड बाय विल्सन। फाटोडा लायंस को इस वक्त कठिनाइयों में डालते हुए मारगांव किंग्स। जमीर अहमद, आज जमीर भाई हमारे साथ उपस्थित है। जमीर भाई के लिए एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहूंगा। खुद के बारे में जानना है तो न पीर से पूछ न फकीर से पूछ। खुद के बारे में जानना है तो न पीर से पूछ न फकीर से पूछ। जमीर तुझे खुद के बारे में जानना है तो तेरे अंदर के जमीर को पूछ। तो हमारे जमीर भाई वेलकम। शारजा में उनसे दोस्ती हुई हमारे उस्मान भाई और जमीर भाई। अल जरगम, दिल में रह जाए याद, होठों पे रह जाए स्वाद, ऐसा खाना अल जरगम का। खाते जाओ अल जरगम के गुण गाते जाओ। तो 2 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ है। 2 ओवर के बाद स्कोर एट 10 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स। तो ये ग्राउंड का एरियल व्यू आप देख सकते हैं tenniscricket.in द्वारा। नए ओवर की शुरुआत और यहां पर चाबुक शॉट, गेंद जाएगी बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर 4 रन के लिए। शॉट वाइड एंड पनिश्ड। तारीफ करनी होगी बैटर की, बॉल के लाइन और लेंथ दोनों को पढ़ते हुए चाबुक की तरह अपने बल्ले को मारा था। और स्कोर अब आगे बढ़ता हुआ 14 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स। नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड के बैटर का नाम बताएं प्लीज। अविनाश। इस बार बहुत स्टाइलिश कवर ड्राइव नजाकत के साथ खेला था। एसएजी के ग्राउंड के घास पर हल्का फुल्का स्पर्श वो गेंद का, और स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 15 फॉर 3। एक पार्टनरशिप चाहिए अनुज और अनुज के साथ जुड़ते हुए अविनाश। गेंदबाज है सोमेश। 21 रन बनाए 8 गेंदों में सोमेश ने, और जबरदस्त काम किया था। इस बार स्विच इन मार दिया है। दिस विल क्लियर द फैंस। हॉट शॉट, शॉट ऑफ द मॉर्निंग। क्या जबरदस्त स्ट्रोक खेला है रोहित ने। गोवा का रोहित मुंबई के रोहित से इंस्पिरेशन लेकर खेल रहा है और जैसे टप्पा खाया स्विच इट, हॉट शॉट, 6 रन। गोवा के गर्म आबो हवा में आग लगाने वाला छक्का, गेंदबाज हक्का बक्का। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 21। इस बार फिर से खाली जगह में गुजरती हुई गेंद और टप्पा खाती हुई बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर, शानदार चौका। हुआ नहीं था, लेकिन तीसरे ओवर में सोमेश प्रभु देसाई के सामने मोर्चा खोल दिया है। इस बार एक और ये झकास, बोले तो एकदम झकास। 6 रन। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 31। अब रन इतना तेज बन रहे हैं जितना गोवा में चलने वाली रिक्शा का मीटर भी इतना तेज नहीं घूमता, उतना तेज अब रन घूम रहा है और घुमा कर रख दिया इस वक्त बैटर रोहित। 1 बॉल टू गो। बॉल दीजिए रोहित। जो देखता है टीम का हित वो है रोहित, जिसकी बल्लेबाजी है सुपर हिट वो है रोहित, जो गेंदबाज की लाइन और लेंथ दोनों को अपने बल्ले से करता है बीट वो है रोहित। फाटोड़ा लायंस। अभी मैं सुबह जब यहां आ रहा था मेरे बाजू से एक कार गया, कार के पीछे लिखा था शेर की झलक सबसे अलग, और ये फाटोड़ा के शेर की झलक है जो सबसे अलग है। शेर की झलक सबसे अलग रोहित। सोमेश प्रभु देसाई अब राउंड द विकेट आते हुए कलाइयों से नजाकत के साथ खेला है। स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट, यह सही तरीका भी है। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 32 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स। एक समय था 10 पे 3 और वहां से अच्छा रिकवरी किया है। गोवा में कौन सा सीमेंट ज्यादा बिकता है मुझे नहीं मालूम, पर इस पारी को सीमेंट मजबूती के साथ लगा दिया है रोहित ने। बहुत खर्चीला ओवर और 22 रन। सोमेश ने 21 बनाए और 22 दिए। तुमने जितना बनाया उससे एक ज्यादा लिया, क्योंकि हम है फाटोड़ा लायंस। और जंगल जो है ना, जंगल ये शेर का ही होता है, जंगल में राज करता है। तो बैटिंग पावर प्ले और लायन शिकार तभी करता है जब उसे भूख लगी हो। वो भूख लग गई, 3 विकेट गिर गए और उसके बाद रोहित ने जो स्टार्ट किया है, मुझे ताजुब नहीं होगा रोहित अगर आने वाले दिनों में इंडिया का बड़ा क्रिकेट खेलेंगे। जिस प्रकार का उनका हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन है, टाइमिंग है, फुटवर्क है, प्लेसमेंट है, तीनों की तारीफ। ये ओवर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये पावर प्ले का ओवर है। अगर इसमें 10-15 रन आ गए तो फाटोड़ा लायंस मैच अपनी तरफ लेकर जाएंगे, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ ये पार्टनरशिप तोड़ना बहुत जरूरी है मारगांव किंग्स के लिए। विल्सन के नेवर की पहली गेंद, लूजनर बॉल, वाइड बॉल, नो बॉल। रनों की फिजूल खर्ची यहां पर महंगी पड़ सकती है मारगांव किंग्स को। राजा के पास दौलत बहुत है, लेकिन राजा अगर अपनी दौलत लुटाने पे आ जाए तो फिर वो दौलत खत्म होती जाएगी। इस बार हेलीकॉप्टर स्ट्रोक खेलने का प्रयास, विकास देसाई अपने दाईं ओर गए थे। विकास देसाई की विकेट कीपिंग ये भी इस टूर्नामेंट की एक हाईलाइट रहेगी, लेकिन इस वक्त उन्हें विकेट चाहिए। पहले 3 विकेट जल्दी चले गए। प्रवीण आउट हुआ, कल्पेश आउट हुआ, उसके साथ में सनेश आउट हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद रोहित आया, और रोहित और अनुज, अनुज का मतलब होता है भाई, छोटा भाई, और इस वक्त अनुज जो है ये रोहित के भाई के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं. आपण दोघे आहोत भाई भाई, दावा करताना नको करूया घाई घाई. इस प्रतियोगिता की लाइव कमेंट्री आप इंग्लिश, कोंकणी, मराठी, हिंदी 4 भाषाओं में सुन पाएंगे. हमारे कमेंटेटर्स भाई तैयार हैं. श्याम कलगुटकर, सागर गोसावी, अशोक नाइक जी, हरीश काकोडकर, रहमत हुसैन उर्फ ऑसम. कदमों का अच्छा इस्तेमाल यहां पर. डांसिंग डाउन द ट्रैक, 1 रन. अनुज ने अच्छा काम किया है. स्ट्राइक ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रोहित को देने का प्रयास किया है ताकि पावर प्ले में रोहित उनकी टीम को एक सेफ स्कोर तक ले जाए. स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 35, 23 रिक्वायर्ड ऑफ रिमेनिंग 16 बॉल्स. क्रिक हीरोज के ऐप के ऊपर भी इसका आप लाइव स्कोरिंग फॉलो कर सकते हैं, प्लस मैनुअल स्कोरिंग भी है. नो चांस ऑफ एनी एरर, सुपर स्कोरिंग. विल्सन की अगेन इस बार बेहतर बॉल थी, स्विंग एंड मिस. ऐसी 2-3 डॉट बॉल चाहिए. पावर प्ले के ओवर में अगर रनों को रोक दिया तो यस, मजा आ जाएगा. इस वक्त एक थर्ड मैन है, एक पॉइंट है, एक एक्स्ट्रा कवर है, और प्लानिंग है विकेट लेने का, लेकिन विकेट मिल नहीं रही है. एक बड़ी पार्टनरशिप यहां पर. हाफ ट्रैकर बॉल धीमी थी और दायरे के थोड़ा सा बाहर, फुटवर्क नहीं था रोहित का, और तुरंत जाकर उनके साथी बल्लेबाज उनको वही बता रहे हैं. फुटवर्क बहुत जरूरी है क्रिकेट में. सात नंबर की जर्सी पहने हुए खूंखार और खतरनाक शेर रोहित फ्रॉम फाटोडा लायंस. सबमरीन बॉल लेकिन दायरे के बाहर और वाइड बॉल. विल्सन बहुत महंगी पड़ सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा रन्स. टोटल एक्स्ट्रा की तरफ देखेंगे अभी तक 3 एक्स्ट्रास और तीनों वाइड बॉल. इस बार उठा दिया, दौड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. अफलातून सिक्सर. तारीफ करे रोहित की उतनी कम है. कौन बोला कौन बोला कौन बोला कौन बोला हमसे ना हो पाएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. बल्ला लेके आया है तो 58 बना के जाएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. और अपना टाइम आ गया और रोहित मैदान में छा गया. स्कोर है अब 42. एक और रॉकेट. ही इज अ पॉकेट रॉकेट. 6 रन. हमारे सनवीर सडेकर, पपी भाई के चेहरे पर इतनी खुशी है कि पपी भाई पपी दे देंगे. यूथ 6. स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 48. पहले 2 ओवर में अगर देखें तो 10 रन और 3 विकेट, और उसके बाद 48 फॉर 3. ये शराकत, पार्टनरशिप बहुत मजबूत नजर आ रही है. एंड व्हाट अ बैटिंग बाय रोहित. चांसलेस, एफर्टलेस, फियरलेस, पियरलेस, मैचलेस. तो पिछले 2 ओवर में 22 और 16, 38 रन. पहले 2 ओवर में 10, उसके बाद वाले 2 ओवर में 38. और रोहित का इंडिविजुअल स्कोर अगर हम देखें 30. तो अब 10 रिक्वायर्ड ऑफ 12 बॉल्स. क्या पारी खेली है रोहित ने. एक भी शॉट मिस टाइम नहीं किया. दैट्स द हॉलमार्क ऑफ अ ग्रेटेस्ट टैलेंट इन बैटिंग. रजत कुडालकर राजदीप उनका नाम है और इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रजत कुडालकर, को ओनर ऑफ द टीम विद जमीर अहमद, बॉलिंग फ्रॉम द स्विंग पुल एंड। अनुज की तारीफ करना चाहूंगा, रोहित फायर है तो अनुज आइस है, और गोवा में आ गया तो फायर और आइस दोनों देखने को मिलता है। 49 for 3। बहुत जबरदस्त आयोजन। दंबाप चैलेंजर्स प्रेजेंट्स दंबा प्रीमियर लीग, क्रिकेट की दुनिया का एक ऐसा नायाब शो, गोवा के हर क्रिकेटर को ऊपर लाने के लिए एक बहुत भगीरथ प्रयास किया गया है। नए ओवर की शुरुआत, धीमी गेंद, रजत कुडालकर गेंद को फ्लाइट देते हुए लूप दिया था और फ्लाइट से चकमा दिया, बीटन इन द एयर एंड ऑफ द पिच। अब ड्रोन व्यू भी आपको दिखाया जाएगा। बहुत अच्छे ग्राफिक्स, एक्शन रीप्ले बाय tenniscricket.in। 21 लाख सब्सक्राइबर का माइलस्टोन जिन्होंने हासिल किया अभी एक हफ्ते पहले। स्विच हिट मारते हुए 1 रन लिया, स्कोर हो गया 50 और पार्टनरशिप है झकास। रोहित के बल्ले से आज 4 और 6 देखने को मिले। नौ बॉल 8 रन, चौके छक्के की बारिश आज कर दी। अब अनुज, इस हरी घास के ऊपर मखमली और मुलायमी, वो शॉट था आंखों को सुकून देने वाला, वो मखमली ड्राइव। अब स्कोर 52 पे पहुंचा है, यानी कि 6 रन चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। फाटोडा लायंस, लायन की गर्जना, पूरे फाटोडा नहीं, नॉर्थ गोवा, साउथ गोवा, सिंधुदुर्ग, मालवण, कोंकण, सब जगह शेर की दहाड़। और अब अनुज ने भी हाथ साफ कर दिया है। 4 रन, स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 56। केवल 2 रन चाहिए मैच जीतने के लिए। फाटोडा लायंस, शेर की झलक सबसे अलग, और दहाड़ शेर की सुननी हो। 58 बनाने हैं, 2 रन चाहिए। ओ बाय टक शॉट एंड दैट्स एंड ऑफ द गेम। 7 विकेट से भव्य विजय हासिल की है फाटोडा लायंस ने, मुबारक हो।